How to sign up for Capital One online banking. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Capital One online banking. For that, navigate to its official website. Once you're in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. This is the sign-in page for Capital One online banking. In order to sign up, here you can see the sign up link for the online banking. Tap on this. Now it will prompt you to the sign up page. You will need to provide your personal information over here, provide your name, your date of birth, your phone number, your postal code, and after that you can tap on this Find Me button. Once you do that, in the next step, you will need to enter your account details such as your account number and your social security number. After that, you can create your username and password for your account. You can choose a unique username and strong password for your online banking access. Following that, you can complete the enrollment process. You can follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the sign-up process. Once you sign up, you can access your account details, you can manage your finances, and utilize other online banking features through the Capital One website or the mobile app too. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.